Darwin.Cloud now has enhanced automation that enables you to much more accurately classify online payments that stream into Darwin daily. When classifying the streaming bank charges in QuickBooks, there are limitations that keep you from having accurate financials. First, QuickBooks only allows one expense account for each charge. Second, in QuickBooks you can't assign multiple classes to a charge. By the way, in Darwin, classes are called offices. Anyway, this is a significant problem. There are many bank charges, made by debit card or online payment, that need to be expensed proportionately across multiple different offices. With QuickBooks, you can't set up automation to do this. But with darwin.com, you can have incoming expenses charged to all your offices and proportionally expensed however you want. Let's look at how this works. First, when you're making a rule to automatically divide an incoming expense across multiple offices, the easiest way is to do this using billing groups. If you don't remember what a billing group is, a billing group is a selected group of your offices, with percentages next to each office. What the billing group does is take the total of a bill and look at the percentages next to each office, then it enters the bill and charges each office their fair share, according to the percentages. There's a video on how to set up a billing group in Darwin's knowledge base. You can also learn more in our blog. When you are adding a rule to divide an incoming expense by a billing group, you start at the rules screen. Click the New button. Then give the rule a name. And to the right, select the bank account or credit card you use with this supplier. On the next row down, labeled Action, you choose Billing Group. Next, you pick the expense account for charges from this supplier. Then pick one of your billing groups from the list. On the next row, pick the supplier for this rule. Then, if you want to add a memo to all the incoming charges that match to this rule, you can put the memo here. So, from now on, whenever a new charge comes in from the supplier, no matter how much the charge is for, it will be divided proportionally according to the billing group. At the bottom, you spell out which part of the description from the bank should be used for matching the charge to the rule. And that's all you need to do to set up a rule to divide expenses between offices according to the percentages in a billing group.